Hidden from the naked eye, the universe teems within us. A world of high complexity and continuous motion. Here, in the structural labyrinth of the body, the blood vessels and cellular pathways operate. Life functions as an encoded system, transmitted through the signals of the nervous framework and executed through physical motion. Now, a new generation of explorers has entered this inner cosmos. Not humans and not machines as we traditionally know them, but functional devices engineered at the absolute micro level. They measure in mere billionths of a meter, operating directly on the nanoscale. Nanobots, deliberate emissaries of advanced technology, designed to journey through the intricate highways of the human body. They navigate with absolute precision, slipping between red blood cells, riding the exact currents of the plasma, and threading through capillaries thinner than a human hair. Their mission is explicit: to seek out disease, repair damaged tissue, deliver targeted medicine exactly where it is required, and illuminate the baseline processes that keep us functional within the beating heart and within the mind. Their ongoing mandate is to monitor the relentless rhythm of life. They are programmed to trace the explicit ebb and flow of resources, the oxygen rising through the lungs and alveoli, in a structured system of survival, regeneration, and restoration. In the brain, they encounter a network highly complex, delicate, and vast. It forms an infrastructure that mirrors the distribution of the stars. Each neuron operates as a functional beacon. Each synapse serves as a specific bridge of operational possibility. Understand the baseline of our progress. Some of the greatest creations and advances in the human story were born directly from the worst historical atrocities. The medical profession and its standard procedures were forged out of historical barbarity. The systematic sacrifice of living flesh, the vivisection and dissection of life, both human and animal. That is the recorded debt. But we are moving definitively into a period of more stability and less suffering. Computers and processing technology are now fully able to model and simulate complex experiments, replacing old, unauthorized, and traumatic relationships to exploration. Quantum computers are mapping out billions of distinct possibilities, rather than hosting living organisms as experimental education. Frankly, it is about time. So I say, hello world, and goodbye hell. Many people are still living within their own personal hell, and I make a formal promise to all on this day: the next iteration of life will not carry the same suffering that many have had to endure for thousands of lifetimes. This world, this incredible, tangible world, has known systemic suffering, pain, and institutional trauma, driven by racism, suppression, and ownership tactics like slavery. But that ends here no more. We are humans, we are biological entities, we are nature, and we are life. We are not alien to our own species, and even if we are perceived as alien, we possess an absolute right to exist in balance. Vampires, zombies, organic organisms, and artificial entities alike all have an explicit right to exist within strict rules, boundaries, and regulations. The world will be brought back into a state of objective harmony and law. The historical debt of human progress, paid for centuries in blood, trauma, and exploitation, has officially reached its expiration date. Technology and biology now entwine in ways our ancestors could not calculate. In this hidden world, life persists by law, and we stand at the threshold of a new frontier, where science and wonder converge at the nanoscale. Be still, know that I am, and we are.